Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our ignition coils. Now on this engine, it's a V8 engine. That means that you're going to have 4 ignition coils on the driver's side and then 4 more over on the passenger side. The process to replace one coil will be the same for the rest. Now your ignition coils are going to be located right down along here on your valve cover. You're going to find some wiring leading to them. We need to go ahead and disconnect that wiring. So to do that, there's a little tab right where my thumb is. You can squeeze on that and then draw this up and away. Once you remove it, inspect it. If you see any funny colors, it's probably corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. This one looks good, so I'll set it aside. Now the next thing we want to do is unbolt this from the valve cover. There's a 10mm headed bolt. Go ahead and remove that. Once that's out of there, go ahead and grab onto the coil, give it a little twist, and draw it away from the valve cover. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, now it's time to install our brand new coil. Something that I like to mention is it's a good idea to use a little bit of dielectric grease down along this end here. Once you've got that on there, go ahead and slide it into the valve cover here. It's going to slide right in the tube, and then line up your bolt hole. Once you have the bolt hole lined up, go ahead and start in the bolt, and then we'll torque it to manufacturer's specifications. Now we're going to go ahead and torque this to 80 inch-pounds. Once you have that torqued, go ahead and connect in the wiring for it. Listen for a click, give it a nice tug. Like I said before, the process will be the same for the rest of the coils. Okay friends, so we got that job done. What's left to do? Go ahead and hop inside the truck, start it up. Make sure you don't have a check engine light and make sure you don't have a misfire. Aside from that, take it for a road test.